In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a cab in Delhi. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying all that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Alright, there's a few different ways to book a cab in Delhi. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the Uber app on my mobile device. You can use other ride-sharing apps like Didi or Book My Cab, etc. But for this, I'm going to use Uber. So if you guys haven't got Uber on your phone, I suggest going to your Player App Store, searching for Uber, and download and install Uber and create an account with Uber. And once you've done that, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. So where it says rides, make sure you're on the rides tab, and then under that it's got where to. Put in the location where you'd like to be taken or driven to. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click into where to. And now I'm just going to change my location up the top here. It's not quite right. So now put in your exact location where you are. So I'm at the Khan Markets. So I'm going to click on Khan Markets. And now where to, put in where you'd like to go. The Indian Habitat Center. So once you've found where you want to be driven to, click into that. And now, as you can see, it's gathering options. So you can see on the map here, it's going to take me a 4-minute drive to go from my location to the Indian Habitat Center. And also on this map, you can see Uber cars that are near your area. So near me, I've got this Khan Market. The Khan Market's there. So I've got an Uber sitting pretty close. So it'll take a few minutes to get to me, if that. And then once he picks me up, he'll deliver me to the Indian Habitat Center, which is 4 minutes away. So from here, you can add in your card details. So at the moment, I've already got one saved in. So click into that and then click on Add Payment Method. And then you can add in a credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, gift card, or Zip. So once you've done that, so for this demonstration, say if you put in your credit card or debit card number, or put in your 16-digit card number here, you can take a photo of your card too to make it easier. Expiry date, CVV, your country, nickname, and all that. And then after that, click on to next, and that will save that card details into Uber. And then if you go back here, your card details will be here. And then once that is all done, I'm going to click on Premiere. There's different drives you can do too. So if I scroll back up, the cheapest one here is Uber Go, or Uber Auto, in fact. So I can use Uber Auto or Uber Go, but for this demonstration, I'm going to use Uber Go. Then click on Confirm Uber Go, and then once it's been confirmed, it'll take within a minute or two, depending how busy the Ubers are in your area. You'll get a confirmation that it's on its way, and you'll be able to track your rider on the map. So once it's been confirmed, say if this car's been confirmed, you can follow him to your location so you know where he is and to be ready when he gets to your location. And then after that, he'll take you to where you need to go.